Hi guys, all of you good morning. Guys, in today's session I'll show you that how to install and configure Ansible end to end by using shell script. Okay guys, so in this session we are going to creating DNS, and we are going to creating SSH and adding the key to nodes, and installing that Ansible. After that we are going to creating post inventory. After that we are going to executing the command. So in this process so we are having script. Yes. Okay guys, yes, here we are having script. Yes, Ansible VAM. So guys, this is the complete script. So already I have written this one. Okay, these are my notes. These are my notes. And okay, setting that post name to all. Okay, yes, I have disabled this one, but sudo privileges. Right now we are working with root user, and after that we are adding the key to. Okay guys, local DNS we are going to configuring. Local DNS we are going to configuring. After that we are going to generating that SSH key. Okay, and sharing the key to that target missions, I mean that Ansible nodes. So Ansible nodes mean, yes, I have 1 2 3 4 nodes, and this is my controller. So once we add this key, then we are going to installing one EPL release package. After that we are going to installing Ansible. So after that we are adding keys to, I mean that we are adding nodes to inventory file, Ansible inventory file, with IP address and by host name, and we are going to grouping. We are going to by grouping also. Okay guys, let me show you. See guys. Okay, so this is the script to execute or to set up Ansible end to end. Okay guys, yes, let me save and exit. And guys, okay, yes, come here. Yes, ll. So this is my script. Okay, yes, dot slash Ansible. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't give permission. Ch mod plus 6. Okay, yes, ll. Now yes, execute this one, dot slash Ansible setup. Yes, run this command or run this script. Yes, apply that yes. It will add that keys and generate that SSH key. Yes, password. Apply that. See guys, you can observe this one. 168, 144, 145. Okay, 147. So we are adding key to all missions. 132 over. So 132, 148, 144, 145. Now key generated. Now we are adding key to that mission. Yes. Just apply the nodes passwords. Just wait guys. Now successfully we added. If you want to see that, yes, ll slash root dot ssh. See guys, authorized keys. We are having key. Okay. It's generated and executing. Now what it's doing that? It's going to installing that EPL package. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes to configure everything. Be patient. These are the packages, EPL packages and the Ansible core, and we are going to install in Git core also. So by default, whenever you execute this command, automatically Git also will install, and Python 3. What are the prerequisites required for this Ansible? It will download and install in our controller. Now it's going to installing, guys. Okay, guys. Ansible successfully installed. In this process, guys, so automatically the script will set that host names. See, guys. Okay. Right now, so without before configuring Ansible, this is the name. Now you can apply that host name. See, guys, exec, just apply one command. Yes, Ansible all -m command or shell -a arguments exec bash. Okay. Yes, apply this one. Yes, yes. Just wait, guys. Just we need to set that name. Okay, first of all, apply this one. Yes, let me ping that is chat slash etc Ansible post. So guys, already we have configured this one by shell script. Now Ansible all -m ping. So apply that. Yes, yes. Just wait, guys. Again yes. If any key required. So if you apply that, we are adding key to target missions. Yes. Okay, guys. Now just apply once again the command. That's only one time process. Now, guys, successfully it's executed. Now you can apply this command. Yes. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys. Now you can execute this command. Okay, guys. Now successfully executed. Yes. Post name. See, guys. Yes. You need to apply here. Or yes, you root. See, guys. Root. Yes, you root. See, guys. Okay. Successfully we have configured Ansible. If you want to test, yes, you can test any one command. For example, if I want to get that all post names, if I want to get all post names of these nodes, yes, Ansible all -m shell -a arguments, yes, post name. So guys, see, okay, you got this. Successfully we have installed Ansible. Okay, guys. So once again, I'll show that shell script. Yes, vim Ansible. So yes. So guys. Okay, successfully configured by using this script, guys. Okay, so fine. Thank you.